Why learn proper overhead press technique?
The overhead press is a powerful movement for building upper body strength, but incorrect form can put your shoulders at risk. Learning the right technique helps maximize muscle gains while protecting your joints from injury. Whether you're new to lifting or want to improve your routine, mastering the overhead press is key to safe and effective strength training.
Setting up, stance and grip.
Start with your feet shoulder-width apart for a stable base. Approach the bar with wrists directly above your elbows, and grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your wrists straight and elbows in front of the bar, not flared to the sides. This setup helps engage the right muscles and reduces unneeded stress on your shoulders.
The pressing movement, step by step.
Keep your core tight and chest up before starting each press. Begin with the bar at shoulder height. Press it straight up, moving your head slightly back to clear a straight path. Once the bar passes your forehead, push your head forward and lock out your arms overhead. Lower the bar with control to the starting position.
Avoiding common shoulder mistakes.
Don't overarch your lower back and avoid letting your elbows flare out to the sides. These mistakes often lead to shoulder strain and instability. Focus on moving the bar in a straight, controlled line and keeping your torso upright. If you feel shoulder discomfort, try reducing weight and checking your grip width and elbow position.
Supporting healthy shoulders.
Warm up with shoulder mobility exercises and light pressing before heavy sets. Include exercises that strengthen the rotator cuff and upper back to support your overhead press. Listen to your body. If you notice pain, stop and assess your form. Progress gradually and always prioritize technique over heavier weights to keep your shoulders healthy and strong.